Hi guys, I'm Rajat. Click on subscribe to get more videos from my side. Today we are going to discuss about Xiaomi phones which exploded at three different occasions in India. Whenever there is an explosion in the device, it's a battery that has to be blamed. Battery consists of negative and positive charge separated by a protective layer. Before battery, there is a overcharge and overheat protection circuit which protects the battery for any kind of overheating or overcharging leading to explosion. However, due to any kind of manufacturing defect, if the separator or the protective layer is compromised, the battery first swells up followed by a smoke and then an explosion. Explosion can also occur if there is an impact on the battery. There's a manual impact and it has to be a firm impact. Let's look at the three cases of Xiaomi phones. Case 1, Xiaomi Mi4i occurred in July 2016. It exploded while charging in an office. Though Xiaomi replaced the device, the news of this device explosion was suppressed eventually. Case 2, Xiaomi Redmi Note 4 occurred in July 2017. CCTV footage shows that it exploded in the hand of salesman while he was trying to insert a SIM in the SIM tray. Xiaomi denied the allegation, mentioning the device exploded due to bad charger. Though the device was a customer-induced damage, Xiaomi replaced the device. Case 3, Xiaomi Redmi Note 4 occurred in August 2017. Exploded while the user was riding his bike and the mobile was in pocket. Burn marks can be seen on the thighs of the user. Xiaomi is investigating the matter. So that's all from my side. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please click on like, subscribe and the bell icon. Rajat Taheem signing off.